Monster High Lagoona Blue doll in Monster Ball party dress with themed accessories like balloons. The Monster High Lagoona Blue doll in Monster Ball party dress comes with themed accessories like balloons. Let's dive into its features, benefits, drawbacks, and overall impression. Benefits. Collectible, a must-buy for collectors or parents who appreciate unique Monster High dolls. Beautiful aesthetics. The doll's attention to detail, including the fish tank purse and accessories, adds to its charm. Soft hair. Lagoona's super soft hair enhances playability. Drawbacks. Limited availability. Some users may find it challenging to locate the specific doll. Age range. While suitable for collectors and kids aged 4 and up, older children might prefer more complex dolls. Overall impression. The Monster High Lagoona Blue doll in Monster Ball party dress is a delightful addition to any Monster High collection. Its vibrant design, thematic accessories, and attention to detail make it a hit among fans. Price: $21.49.